Yeah, next title, Gauss rule. So state Gauss rule. According to Gauss rule, pseudo-critical property of a component in the mixture is equal to product of mole fraction of the component and critical property of the component. What are the critical constant? Critical temperature, critical pressure, critical volume. What is critical temperature? Maximum temperature or optimum temperature. In this temperature, gas convert into liquid. What is critical pressure? It is a saturation pressure corresponding to the critical temperature. What is critical volume? It is a volume occupied by a gas at a critical condition. So note that the temperature above the critical condition, gas cannot be liquefied irrespective of the pressure. This is very important one. This is a note. Now I repeat that. Note that the temperature above the critical condition, gas cannot be liquefied irrespective of the pressure. This is the reason, irrespective of the pressure. So this is a case rule. Suppose we want to calculate TC value and PC value in mixture or gaseous mixture. So that condition we want to choose Gauss rule. So TC mix is equal to x1 TC1 plus x2 TC2. Suppose you have any other component, x3 TC3, etc. Similarly, PC mix x1 PC1, x2 PC2, x3 PC3, etc. That is a pseudo is a duplicate. Is right. Now we are going to discuss the sample problem of critical constant. So this is a problem. 1 kilomole of a mixture containing 0.4 kilomole of nitrogen and 0.6 kilomole of C2H6 occupy a volume of 90 liter at 323 Kelvin. What is the pressure of the vessel? Using the Van der Waals equation. So data are given, component C2H6 and nitrogen. Two critical constants are given, TC and PC. TC unit Kelvin, PC unit megapascal. So first TC 305.4 to 126.09. Second PC 4.880, 3.394. So first read the problem carefully. Find out the question. For this problem, we want to calculate the pressure. What is the pressure in the vessel? Students, you know the procedure how to solve the problem. Step number 1, to find question of the problem. Step number 2, basis. For this problem, basis is given 1 kilomole. Then number of moles of nitrogen, number of moles of C2H6 is given. So number of moles notation n suffix nitrogen is equal to 0.4 kilomole, n suffix C2H6 is equal to 0.6 kilomole. So then reading the problem carefully, write the all given data in this step. Step number 3, solution. This is the major step. In this step, write the formula to solve the problem. So we need the mole fraction value. Mole fraction of nitrogen, mole fraction of C2H6. So mole fraction of nitrogen, individual moles of nitrogen to total moles. So for this problem, total moles 0.4 plus 0.6, that is 1. So mole fraction of nitrogen, X nitrogen is equal to N nitrogen by N. N nitrogen is a 0.4, N is a 1. 0.4 divided by 1 is equal to 0.4. Similarly, X C2H6 is equal to N C2H6 divided by N. For this problem, total mole 1 mole. So X C2H6 equal to 0.6 divided by 1 is equal to 0.6. Then use the formula Gauss rule. Why? Because this is the mixture, the more than one component present in the problem. So we take Tc mix is equal to X nitrogen into Tc nitrogen, Xc2H6 into Tc C2H6. So X nitrogen is given, Tc nitrogen is known, Xc2H6 also known, TcC2H6 also known. Substitute all the value, find out the answer, 233.6 Kelvin. Similarly, Pc mix, X nitrogen, Pc nitrogen plus Xc2H6 into Pc C2H6. From the table you take the value Pc nitrogen and Pc C2H6. Then we have mole fraction value, nitrogen and C2H6. Substitute all the value, find out the answer, 4.2856 megapascal. So we want A value, A and B. So A, already we have the equation, A is equal to 27 r square Tc square divided by 64 Pc. So if you want this formula, you go to refer my lecture, Van der Waals equation derivation. So from the derivation you take this formula, small a is equal to 27 r square Tc square divided by 64 Pc. So here capital R is known, it is a constant value. So this problem we want to calculate pressure in terms of megapascal. You got to choose the capital R 0.008314, right, because this is the constant. So only one clue in this problem, critical pressure values in terms of megapascal. Okay, so already I said the capital R is depends upon the unit of pressure, temperature and volume. But in this case the critical pressure unit is a megapascal. Is it correct? So you take this value 0.008314 megapascal. This is a constant value. Then Tc, already we have find out, we have the values, right? So for calculated value 233.6. Then Pc values also calculated value, and 64. Finally we got the value 0.3713. This is a unit, meter cube square, megapascal divided by kilomole square. So if you want the unit, you go to substitute individual parameter unit, then you reduce the unit. Finally we got meter cube square megapascal by kilomole square. This is a unit of Van der Waals constant, small a. Next we want to calculate small b. This is also another Van der Waals constant. This formula also taken from Van der Waals equation derivation. So you refer my previous lecture, you take this B equation, RTC by 8 Pc. So R values are known, 0.008314. Tc is there, Pc is there. Tc and Pc's are mixture, already calculated value. Substitute here, find out the value, 0.05665 meter cube per kilomole. So now we are ready to calculate the pressure. Why? Because all the values are known, small a, b, v or t. So v values are given 90 liter, converted into meter cube. So 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube is correct. This is a conversion from liter to meter cube. So 90 liter is equal to 90 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is 0.09 meter cube. So then temperature 323 Kelvin, this is given value. Small ab calculated value. Substitute all the values, find out the pressure in terms of megapascal, 34.68. Okay, thank you for your attention. This is another sample problem of Van der Waals equation. Carbon dioxide weighing 1.10 kg occupy a volume of 33 liter at 300 Kelvin. Calculate the pressure using Van der Waals equation or Van der Waals equation of state. A values are directly given, 3.60 meter cube square kilopascal divided by kilomole square. Small b 4.3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter cube per kilomole. Students, you know the procedure, how to solve the problem. Step number 1 to find question of the problem. This problem question is a pressure, calculate the pressure using Van der Waals equation or Van der Waals equation of state. Step number 2, basis. Basis mean given data. After reading the question, write the all given data in this step. So 1.10 kg, volume is equal to 33 liter, temperature is equal to 300 Kelvin. So all the data you take, small a, small b, everything is you mention here. Step number 3, solution. In this step, write the formula to solve the problem. So formula, Van der Waals equation already you know, p plus a by b square into v minus b is equal to RT. Students listen, we need small a, v, b, r, t, then only we are going to calculate pressure value. Is it correct? So one thing is very important in Van der Waals equation, volume is not a volume, this is a molar. This is very important. Volume is not a single volume, this is a molar volume. So how to calculate molar volume? From this problem, weight of carbon dioxide is given. So first we want to calculate number of moles of carbon dioxide. So the weight of carbon dioxide 1.10 kg. Number of moles and weight relation, number of moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. Weight is given 1.10, molecular weight of carbon dioxide 44. Is it correct? So find out the value 0.025 kilomole. This is number of moles of carbon dioxide. Volume is given. Actual volume is 33 liter. So liter converted into meter cube 0.033 meter cube. 1 liter is equal to 10 to the minus 3 meter cube. So molar volume is defined, the ratio between volume to number of moles. So in this case volume 0.033, number of moles 0.025, divide these two value, we got the molar volume 1.32 meter cube per kilomole. So one thing is very important, I repeat the point, we don't substitute volume directly in Van der Waals equation. So this is the molar volume. So the molar volume only go to substitute here. This is meter cube per kilomole, the unit of molar volume. Molar volume is defined, the ratio between volume to number of moles. What about the R value here? So how will you choose the R value? So many R constant values are there, depends upon the pressure, temperature and volume unit. So which R we are going to choose here? So you see small a, only one clue in this problem, small a in terms of kilopascal. So which one is the unit of kilopascal? Pressure. The pressure unit is a kilopascal. So that's why we want to use 8.314 meter cube kilopascal divided by kilomole Kelvin. Suppose megapascal mean you change the capital R value. Suppose atmosphere mean you take another R value. But this problem kilopascal mean you take 8.314 meter cube kilopascal divided by kilomole Kelvin. Temperature is given 300 Kelvin. Yeah, substitute all the known values. So reduce this expression. Finally we got the value P is equal to 1951 kilopascal. Thank you for your attention.